Hello everybody, Mike Ponte here, and I am the head of growth here at Webzy Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to go over a bit about who we are, what we do, and how we are able to be recognized as the second fastest growing company in London last year. Now, for those of you that are familiar with the United Kingdom market, you know what the digital marketing is. Our digital marketing strategies amplify our clients' messages with precision and impact. Now, our mission is to be the leading provider of digital marketing services throughout United Kingdom. And these are our company core values. Customer obsession is our advantage. We win together. Do the right thing always. Exceptional is expected, and infectious passion. And I could shoot an entire video about these values, and I probably will, and post them to our YouTube channel. So I'm not going to dive into each one of them in this video, but you can see that our company and the culture that we have here is dedicated to having a cohesive teamwork and the success of our customers. In short, we know that we win when our customers win, so we make it a priority to make that happen. Now, this is a review that we got from Adrian Lewis not long ago. Webzy Marketing has done an exceptional job in promoting our business. I have to say they are the best marketing agency in London, which we have used others in the past. They are experts in Google Ads and SEO. Definitely recommend this company for your marketing needs. So we appreciate that, Adrian. And these types of reviews are actually not very uncommon for us. It's not an uncommon thing to get good feedback from our customers. We understand this market. So for those of you that are businesses here, it is important to you that you work with a locally based company because we understand this market. That is us. Now, we do work with customers outside of London as well, but over 80% of our customers are based in the United Kingdom market, Dublin, Cork, United States of America, and so on. A couple of things that we are recognized for. In 2024, we are recognized as one of the top fastest growing business in London. Now, unlike when you work with other companies, we are a boutique style agency. And so what does that mean? Well, when you want to work with someone who is, let's say, a freelancer, because we understand that our prices are not the cheapest out there because we provide a higher level of service. And so there will always be people out there who will offer to do some of the things that we do for a cheaper price.
Usually those are freelancers or people who are just looking to get started with digital marketing. The problem with that is that cheaper is not always better. And I want to point that out because when you are a freelancer, you have a lot of responsibilities as a marketer. Freelancers who are just getting started or building their own business, their agency, they are usually wearing a lot of hats. They are the website developer, they are the ad specialist, they are the SEO specialist, they are the writing team, they are the project manager, they are the account manager, the operations manager, and many more. Oftentimes they're their own bookkeepers. When you work with us, you get a full team of dedicated specialists and experts who are helping you. So this image here on the right shows all of the people on our team and you. So we don't have somebody wearing multiple hats. We have specialists. We are what we call a boutique agency, and we have all these specialists and experts working for you on your behalf. And the services that we sell are custom websites, paid advertising with Google or Facebook, search engine optimization, also known as SEO or Google rankings getting higher on Google. We also offer custom software. And in addition to these core services, we will run specials on new innovative tactics and methods to get more customers. You can always speak more with your account coordinator or to our digital media representatives about this if you have any questions. And so now I'd like to dive a little deeper in some of these services. So our custom websites are usually a starting point for almost all of our businesses and also for you. It's a starting point for almost every online sale for a business. Your website should help to support that. It should be optimized to turn website traffic into paying customers. The websites that we build and we offer, they're not just standard templates. We actually build completely customized websites with the customer in mind. So we have a intake process and gather information from you and what you are looking for. We then take that information and we bring it back to our team and we start to strategize and coordinate on what type of design would fit your industry with the customer in mind. Because at the end of the day, not only do we want to build you a website, but after we build you the website, we would like to start to help you generate traffic and customers through that website. And so when we build a website from the ground up, we build our search engine optimization foundational pieces into it, and they are completely customized. Our websites are built for you. And here's some of the businesses that we have built websites for. We've built hundreds over the course of our doing business, and we would be excited to add your brand to our list of beautiful websites. Now, the next service that I want to talk about is Google Ads.
We have spent over $3 million on ad spend. And for those of you that don't know what ad spend is essentially the fee that you pay to an advertising platform in order to show the advertisements. So you might have heard of what's called pay-per-click advertising. What this means is you actually pay per click, and you pay per click directly to the platform like Google. And so we've spent over $3 million on ad spend. You can see that in our dashboard. And it's important to point this out because it speaks to our experience to provide awesome campaigns. In order to provide an awesome campaign, you want to be relevant. You want to be in the trenches. You want to be active spending and advertising because these platforms and these tactics and technology is always changing. And so the amount of ad spend that we have funneled through Google is a testament to our experience level. You don't want to have somebody who has not spent anything in advertising to run your campaigns, because they probably don't have a lot of experience. I should also mention that in return for spending this $3 million in advertising, our clients have generated well over $6 million in sales, which is twice the average return on investment from our campaigns. And this is just Google. We've advertised on other platforms like Facebook and YouTube and so on, but having these types of Google ad campaigns constantly going for our customers has allowed us to generate results like this. This is a screen capture from an eco-friendly brand that we took here in London to over $1 million in just 6 months. Now, the next service that we offer is search engine optimization. And as a result of our search engine optimization, which means bringing your business higher up in Google rankings, we have gained over 10,000 page one rankings for ourselves and our customers. And so, depending which day of the week or which way the algorithm is blowing, if you go to Google and you type in the word Webzy SEO, you'll find us at the top of the results, which is again a demonstration of our ability to do the same for you. If you are a real estate agent, or if you're a photographer or a roofer and you're located in London, well then you will want to show up in the #1 position if someone is searching for Roofer Dublin. We know how to do this, and we can do the same for you. As I've mentioned, we've ranked over 10,000 keywords on the first page of Google, and more each and every month. And as a result of those search engine optimization rankings, this is an example of a cosmetic brand that we took online with our methods and have already generated over $94,000 in sales in just 6 months. And I do want to mention that search engine optimization and paid advertising, they work well together. But if you do have a Google ad or a paid traffic campaign going at the same time that you are organically showing up in Google, obviously you're going to probably get twice the results because you're going to get more traffic from having both of them going at the same time. And so in using these paid advertising methods and search engine optimization, we have generated thousands of leads each and every month. We have automated follow-up systems, and we offer the software to our clients. These leads is not required, but we have seen that the people that use our software in addition to our campaigns not only save more time, but they make more money, and they're able to take advantage of the innovations that we build into it using things like AI and different advances in technology for marketing services. And as a result of using these tactics, this is an activity company that we've helped generate over 11 million since working together. And because of these types of results, we have an average month-over-month client retention rate of 97%. As I mentioned, we win when our clients win. One of our core values is we win together, because we know that if our main goal is to generate an ROI for you, you're going to continue to work with us for many years to come, which is why we have the retention rate that we do. And so here are some of the industries that our tactics have worked well in. Of course, local brick and mortar, e-commerce, insurance, real estate, professional services, B2B, have an average month-over-month client retention rate of 97%. As I mentioned, we win when our clients win. One of our core values is we win together because we know that if our main goal is to generate an ROI for you, you're going to continue to work with us for many years to come, which is why we have the retention rate that we do. And so here are some of the industries that our tactics have worked well in. Of course, local brick and mortar, e-commerce, insurance, real estate, professional services, coaching, B2B, business to business, finance and trading, artists and musician, influencers and personal branding, health, fitness, and in sports. And so if you're somebody that is in one of these industries and you're interested in working with us, the next step would be to head over to our website, webzymarketing.com, and schedule a strategy session with somebody on our team. There's a big Get Started button on our website, which you can see right here. Head over there, schedule a chance to go over a strategy session with somebody on our team. We'd love to hear more about you, your story, your business, and find out how we can help you take things to the next level. So I look forward to working with you and hearing more about your business, and thank you for watching this video. Until we see each other again.